Why does your scanner show the P1135 engine code? What does it mean? P1135 is a diagnostic trouble code for air or fuel ratio sensor heater circuit malfunction bank 1, sensor 1. This engine code indicates that this code means the PCM has detected a problem with the heater circuit that warms the air-fuel sensor, which is crucial for accurate readings and proper engine operation. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty air or fuel sensor, wiring and connector problems, PCM issues, exhaust leaks, intermittent problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota and Lexus vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.